Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the X.mill 450 CNC Machining Center, your entry point into powerful and economical machining. The X.mill series offers excellent value for money. We do not compromise on quality. The machine frame is compact and stable under all load conditions. Stainless steel guide covers protect the ball screws and ensure long-term precision. The powerful main drive delivers spindle speeds of up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. High torque is available across the entire speed range for effective machining. The robust armless tool changer with 12 stations has proven itself in everyday production and ensures short changeover times. The central lubrication system automatically supplies all important lubrication points, ensuring reliability. The powerful numeric 828D control system from Siemens has established itself on the market as a real powerhouse. Upgraded with new processing units and a redesigned operating concept, productivity, sustainability and cybersecurity have been further enhanced. The shop mill software option is also recommended by our CNC technicians. This enables simple dialogue-guided operation and fast programming. From toolmaking to a large-scale production, the X.mill 450 offers the right solution. Benefit from our experience in selection and configuration. The entire X.mill series is characterized by customization and automation options. Contact your nearest Knut representative today to find the best solution for your business.